Hello everyone. This is in continuation to our learning curve topic. This is question 4. A firm received an order to make and supply 8 units of standard product, which involves intricate labor operations. The first unit was made in 10 hours. It is understood that this type of operation is subject to 80% learning rate. The workers are getting wages at the rate of rupees 12 per hour. First question is, what is the total time and labor cost required to execute the above order? Second question, if a repeat of 24 units is also received from the same customer, what is the labor cost necessary for the second order? Let us proceed with the solution. We are going to now create the results based on this 80% learning curve. So first, since it is, in the 8 and 24 is there. So we will go like that. We will jump by doubling. First, we will consider for 1 unit. The question said that first unit was made in 10 hours. So the average time is 10. Total time is 1 into 10. It will be 10 only. Then doubling that 2. And since we have doubled, the average time will go down by, you will get an efficiency of 0.8. So that means it will become 8 hours. So 2 into 8, 16 hours is the total time. Doubling 2, we get 4. Now, 8 multiplied by 0.8, we get 6.4 as the average hours. If we multiply 6.4 into 4, we get 25.6 as the total hours. Then doubling 4, it is 8. So here 6.4 into 0.8, time will reduce for their average time. That will work out to 5.12 hours. So 8 into 5.12 hours, we get 40.96 hours total time. Doubling 8, we get 16. And 5.12 multiplied by 0.8, if we do that, we get 4.096 average time in hours. Now, 4.096 into 16, we get 65.54 hours. And then doubling 16, we get 32. So here it is 4.096 into 0.8. It will become 3.2768 hours average. And 3.2768 into 32, we get 104.8576 will be the total time required. Now let us see what is the first question. To execute the above order. Above order means 8 units. So that is already done by us. First one, labor time required for the first 8 units is 40 point, or I will say total labor time, 40.96 hours. Then the labor cost required for 8 units will be this time, that is 40.96 hours, multiplied by, they already gave us the labor cost per hour as 12 per hour. So rupees 12 per hour, that will give us rupees 491.52. Let us move on to the second part of the question. So second part of the question, they are asking if a repeat of 24 units is also received from the same customer, what is the labor cost necessary for the second order? We know we already calculated 32, how many hours are required, 8, what is the hours required? 32 minus 8 gives you 24. So we will work out that. Labor time, total labor time required for 32 units. It is 104.86. I'm rounding off 8576 as 86 hours. Then total time required for 8 units is 40.96 hours. So that means labor time required for total labor time required for second order of 24 units will be the difference between the above will be equal to 104.86 minus 40.96 hours, which will give us 63.90 hours. So therefore, labor cost for second order will be 63.90 hours multiplied by rupees 12 per hour. So that will give you rupees 766.80. So that will be the solution for this particular question.